What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. The challenge right now is to make a string uppercase. That's it. Now in C++, that I know of at the moment, there is no like direct member function where you can just make every string, every character in a string uppercase. So I'm just gonna do a for loop, and so I'm gonna have an empty string. This is a character that I'm grabbing here. I'm gonna add it to the string that I've made. There is one called toUpper that does it on characters. So somehow that has to just work out. And yeah, let's try that out. Let's try it out in real code. So we'll set, not set, but we'll do string result. Then we'll have the for loop. So it'll be int I 0. And then we'll do a I less than input size. And then we'll increment, of course. Okay, that's your basic for loop. Alright, so this is the important part right here. Result plus equals toUpper. I should have it here. So this doesn't come stock. So you need this right here. You need CC type. Okay, so once you have it, toUpper, you might need. Wait. Never mind. I was thinking you might need one and then the character, but I think you just do it like that. So we'll just do it like that for now. And then we'll grab the actual character. And it looks like it's working because it's purple now. Once that for loop is done, then we can go ahead and just return the results. I don't know why I did 2 spaces, but let's delete one. Down here, I should have my name all caps. And there it is. It works. But the thing is that right here, they're not using namespace. Let me add it on here because sometimes it doesn't use it. But yeah, let's just add it on here using namespace. I don't add it because sometimes like the code, because they have this and then they have the test. So I was like, I don't know how the test is gonna be. And then they have reference as well. I don't know if that's gonna mess with it. But let's try it. And then if it doesn't work, we'll just reset the code on this side. Alright, so there it is. Using namespace. And then let's go ahead and test it. And it does pass. Let's go ahead and attempt it. And it goes through. Submit it. Okay, now we're working with arrays. Write a function that takes an array of numbers and returns the sum of the numbers. The numbers can be negative or non-integer. If the array does not contain any numbers, then you should return 0. That should be good with, I can initialize a total to 0. And if I have a for loop, then the for loop will be 0 because of the size of the array. So this should be good. Now I don't know if that's. Let's check it out. Is it gonna be vector or just straight up array? Okay. Okay, so int. Then we're gonna return. Oh no, we're gonna. Wait, why does it use it here? Standard, but not for int. It's kind of weird. Let's do pseudocode first. So we're gonna have Let's just go ahead and do it here. It shouldn't be too difficult. Let's see, sum with nums. Okay, so we'll set a total. Set total to 0. And then we'll do a for loop. And the for loop. Alright. For I in range, let's say 0 to num size -1. Yeah, I think -1. -1. Num size -1. And then total plus equals nums I. It should be good, right? And then just return total, and that should do the job. Let's try it out. So, okay. Let's mess with this a little bit because it's not correct. Okay, so vector. By the way, you can't just use vectors. You gotta, why did I do that? I could have just reused this. I'm not using it. This is for upper to upper. Anyways, right here, we're just gonna do vector. You can't just use vector. It has to come from the library. So our total, I'm gonna go with double. Because it could be double. And, wait, it says int, but what is this here? What is that? What's going on there? What's going on there? So is it gonna be int or double? I'm just gonna go with double for now. Total equals 0. And we'll just go on with the for loop. So int I 0 increment. Okay, now here, so just total plus equals nums I. And that should be it. Just return total. And that should do the job right there. So let me get an example. Let's do this here. Wait, what is that? Let's just copy that. Alright, so that's an array right there. I don't know. The array's not really, assigned to anything. I don't know if it's gonna work. It does. Nice. Alright. So we'll just go ahead and do this here. Your code here. Bada bing, bada boom. Also, I'm going to be using namespace, standard. Does it need the semi? Oh, it does need it. Okay. Alright, so I don't know if it's going to be a double or just, the regular way. The int. Alright, so it looks good so far. Let's go ahead and attempt it. And it works. So it works with double. Does it work with int as well? Let's see. Maybe it checks for both. It works for both. Okay, so I guess that's how it works. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.